Begin by unpacking the base and placing it where you wish to display your droid. The large box contains the torso, the leg bar, restraining bolt, and power adapters. Please note that this unit comes with 2 power adapters, one for the United States and one for international. Unpack the right leg and place it on the base, lining up the foot peg with the hole. Unpack the left leg and retrieve the leg bar. Note the coiled springs in the hollow area at the top of the left leg. Ensure that these springs are both clean and free of damage. Insert the leg rod into the hole and tighten until snug. Next, using a portion from the foam from the box, remove the torso from the packaging and set it onto the foam. Then, attach the left leg. Be sure to line the leg bar up with the hole in the bottom of the torso section and slowly slide the leg into place. Stand the figure upright. Attach the hex nut to the leg rod and tighten until it is snug. Then, attach the magnetic backplate. Lift the partially assembled unit onto the right leg. Be sure to slide the round screw detail on the hip into the groove at the top of the leg. Remove the head from the packaging. Be sure to check the plug at the base of the neck to ensure it is not damaged. Attach the head, being sure to align the plug. Plug your adapter into the wall and then into the plug in the back of the left foot. The power button is located on the back of the head. Push it once for the lights to come on, a second time for the sound.
At last! Where have you been?
Press the power button a third time to power the unit down. Note that the head is slightly articulated and will stay on if turned from side to side. The arms and hands are slightly articulated as well at the wrist and shoulders. Unpack the restraining bolt, noting that there's a small hole on the back. Line this hole up with the pin on the right side of the chest. The magnets will do the rest. Congratulations! You have now completely assembled your new Star Wars life-size droid. If you experience any problems during your assembly or have any questions, please contact our customer service department.